How to analyze the yield report and interpret trial results. Now on the screen you can see the productivity zones. To build these zones, our algorithm selected 5 seasons. This means the productivity distribution was stable for 5 seasons, 5 out of 9. And we can explain this distribution using the soil brightness map. As you can see, areas with low productivity are located on lighter soils with a low level of organic matter content. Areas with high productivity are located on darker soils with a higher level of organic matter content. Now on the screen, you can see the prescription map we applied. This is the urea prescription map we used in the 2021 season, and I've already uploaded the yield data from 2021. The standard rate for this field was 250 kilograms per hectare. In the high productivity area, we increased the fertilizer rate up to 350 kilograms per hectare. In the low productivity area, we reduced the rate down to 150 kilograms per hectare. When I open the yield map, the first step is to compare the productivity map we used to build our prescription map with the actual yield data we got from the harvester. As you can see, our productivity map predicts the yield distribution with high accuracy. These maps are almost the same. Now, when I turn on the prescription map we used in the previous season, we can start the analysis. First, let's look at the numbers. The average yield for this field was 9.84 tons per hectare. The predicted yield without variable rate application would have been 9.55 tons per hectare. That means we didn't spend any additional fertilizer. We simply redistributed the existing amount based on our prescription map and productivity zones. As a result, we increased the average yield by 0.29 tons per hectare. We know these numbers because we made control strips in our prescription map. You can find more detailed information at the bottom of the page. As you can see, in the low productivity zones, the plants didn't react to additional fertilizer. All rates produced the same yield. But in the high productivity area, the crop did react. When we increased the fertilizer rate in that zone, we increased the yield there as well. Let's look at one more example. For this field in the 2021 season, we tested variable rate technology for corn. On the screen, you can see the prescription map we used in the previous season. The standard rate for this field was 70,000 seeds per hectare. In the high productivity area, we increased the rate up to 78,000 seeds per hectare. In the low productivity area, we reduced the rate down to 62,000 seeds per hectare. And I've already uploaded the yield data from the 2021 season. The first step, just like in the previous field, is to compare the productivity map and the yield map. As you can see, our productivity zones predict yield distribution with high accuracy. Now, when I turn on the prescription map we used in the previous season, we can start the analysis. Again, let's look at the numbers. The average yield was 10.3 tons per hectare. The predicted yield without variable rate seeding would have been 10.1 tons per hectare. It means the same for this field. We didn't spend any additional seeds. We redistributed the existing seed amount based on our productivity zones, and we increased the average yield by 0.2 tons per hectare. Let's open the more detailed analysis at the bottom of the page. You can see that in the low productivity zones we reduced the standard rate, and we increased yield there. This is logical from an agronomy point of view, because nutrients and moisture become available to fewer plants. Visually, you can also see how the seeding rate impacts yield on this map. In the high productivity area, we increased the standard rate and we increased yield there. And now, the last example I would like to show you. On the screen, you can see the productivity zones. To build these productivity zones, our algorithms used 3 seasons. This means the productivity distribution was stable for 3 seasons, and we can understand the productivity pattern using additional layers. As you can see, the low productivity area is located in the lighter zone, on the upland, and the high productivity area is located in the lowland. For this field in the 2021 season, we also tested variable rate technology for corn. Here is the prescription map we used in the previous season. The standard rate was 70,000 seeds per hectare. In the high productivity area, we increased the rate up to 76,000 seeds per hectare. In the low productivity area, we reduced the rate down to 64,000 seeds per hectare. Now let's compare our productivity map and the yield map again. As you can see, the productivity map predicts yield distribution with high accuracy. When I turn on the prescription map, we can start the analysis. The average yield in the field was 6.11 tons per hectare. The predicted yield without variable rate seeding would have been 6.10 tons per hectare. That means our prescription map didn't impact yield. For more detailed information, you can check the bottom of the page. As you can see, in the low productivity area, all rates produce the same result. In the medium productivity area, it's the same, and in the high productivity area, it's also the same. 64,000, 66,000, and 70,000 seeds per hectare provided the same yield. This means the standard rate for this field was too high. Our recommendation for the next season is to reduce the standard rate to about 60,000, 64,000 seeds per hectare, save resources, and repeat this trial.